Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to potentially play Brawl Stars on a school laptop. School networks frequently block gaming sites and applications, making access difficult. Additionally, school-issued laptops often have administrative restrictions preventing new software installation. We will explore some common challenges and potential approaches to overcome them, always keeping school policies in mind. One potential method involves exploring web-based alternatives. Some games, though not typically Brawl Stars, offer browser versions that bypass App Store restrictions. More commonly, cloud gaming services can stream games directly to your browser. These services demand a robust internet connection, so check your school's Wi-Fi capabilities and policies regarding such platforms. Another approach involves using Android emulators or virtual machines. An Android emulator creates a phone environment on your laptop, allowing you to install mobile apps. Virtual machines, on the other hand, set up an entirely separate operating system. Both typically require administrative privileges for installation and can be quite demanding on your laptop's processing power and memory. Finally, consider both performance and school policies. School laptops are often not designed for gaming, leading to choppy gameplay and rapid battery drain. It is crucial to review your school's acceptable use policy regarding software installation and internet usage. Unauthorized attempts to bypass restrictions could result in disciplinary actions, so proceed with caution and awareness.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.